When you're thousands of feet in the air, one thing matters more than anything else: an engine you can trust with your life. Today, we're counting down the top 5 plane engines with a reputation for running strong, lasting long, and refusing to quit. These are the power plants behind some of the most reliable aircraft ever built. Engines known for durability, simplicity, and decades of real-world performance. If you're a pilot who values peace of mind as much as power, this list is for you. Let's get started. The Lycoming IO-540 is one of the most trusted power plants in general aviation, and for good reason. It just doesn't quit. This 6-cylinder fuel-injected engine has powered everything from the Piper Cherokee 6 to the Cessna 182RG, and it's built around one idea: dependable performance, year after year, flight after flight. Producing between 235 and 350 horsepower depending on the variant, the IO-540 delivers smooth and consistent power across a wide range of conditions. Pilots appreciate its balanced design, its predictable throttle response, and its ability to handle high workloads without strain. Whether you're climbing out of a short field or cruising across states, this engine has a reputation for staying cool, steady, and efficient. Maintenance is a big part of why the IO-540 is so beloved. Mechanics know it inside and out, parts are widely available, and the engine's straightforward construction keeps service costs manageable. Many examples run well past their recommended TBO with proper care, and overhauls are simple compared to more complex or higher performance engines. The real magic, though, is durability. The IO-540 has earned a legendary reputation for surviving abuse, rough airstrips, high temperatures, and decades of use. It has powered training fleets, bush planes, and cross-country cruisers, and it keeps showing up because it keeps performing. For pilots who want an engine that inspires confidence, delivers strong and reliable power, and has a worldwide support network behind it, the Lycoming IO-540 stands as one of aviation's true workhorses. The kind of engine you trust every time you turn the key. The Continental IO-520 has earned its place as one of the most trusted piston engines ever built, a power plant known for durability, smooth performance, and a track record that stretches across decades of real-world flying. Producing between 260 and 300 horsepower, depending on the variant, the IO-520 delivers strong climb performance and reliable cruise power, making it a favorite in aircraft like the Beechcraft Bonanza, Cessna 210 Centurion, and early model Barons. What sets the IO-520 apart is its robustness. With a large displacement and well-engineered cooling system, it handles heat effectively, even in high-power, high-altitude operations. That's a major confidence booster for pilots flying in hot climates or mountainous regions. The fuel-injected design improves efficiency and consistency, helping the engine maintain smooth performance across a wide range of airspeeds and altitudes. Maintenance is another win for the IO-520. Parts are widely available. A&Ps know it inside and out, and its design makes inspections and repairs straightforward. Many engines easily reach or surpass TBO when properly maintained, which is why so many older airframes flying today still depend on this power plant. For pilots looking for a proven engine with decades of reliability, strong support, and the muscle to power serious cross-country machines, the Continental IO-520 stands tall. It's an engine that has earned its reputation not through marketing, but through millions of flight hours without drama. The Pratt & Whitney PT6A is the gold standard of turboprop engines, a power plant so reliable, so proven, and so battle-tested that it has earned a legendary reputation across aviation. If there's one engine pilots trust when the sky turns rough and the runway disappears into the horizon, it's the PT6A. First introduced in the early 1960s, the PT6A has accumulated tens of millions of flight hours, powering everything from rugged bush planes to business turboprops and even military trainers. Its unique reverse flow design places the hottest components farther from the propeller gearbox, reducing wear, improving cooling, and dramatically extending engine life. This isn't just smart engineering. It's a major reason the PT6A is known for staying healthy even under extreme conditions. Maintenance is straightforward with modular components that allow mechanics to inspect, repair, or replace parts without tearing the whole engine apart. Its time between overhaul numbers are exceptional for a turboprop, and field reports consistently highlight smooth operation, low vibration, and incredible longevity. What truly sets the PT-6A apart, though, is its range of configurations. With models from 500 to over 1,700 shaft horsepower, it adapts to aircraft large and small. King Airs, Caravans, PC-12s, agricultural planes, and countless others. No matter the mission, the engine delivers predictable power, fast starts, and stable performance from hot deserts to icy bush strips. For new and experienced pilots alike, the PT-6A represents peace of mind. When you push the throttle forward, you're relying on one of the most trusted engines ever built. And for a list of plane engines that never quit, the PT-6A isn't just included, it's the benchmark. The Rotax 912 has earned its place as one of the most trusted light aircraft engines ever built. A power plant known for starting easily, running smoothly, and refusing to quit even after thousands of hours in the air. For pilots flying LSAs, ultralights, or small two-seat aircraft, the 912 delivers a rare combination of reliability, efficiency, and modern engineering that sets it apart from traditional aviation engines. This four-cylinder, 80 to 100 horsepower engine is liquid and air-cooled, which means it operates at more stable temperatures and suffers far less wear over time. Its design dramatically reduces the risk of overheating, making it especially dependable during long climbs, hot weather operations, and slow-speed flying, situations that can stress older, air-cooled engines. One of the biggest advantages of the Rotax 912 is its fuel efficiency. Burning as little as 3.5 to 5 gallons per hour, it allows pilots to travel farther with lower operating costs. This efficiency comes from its high compression ratio and the ability to run on automotive unleaded fuel in many regions, which not only saves money, but also ensures easier fuel availability during cross-country trips. Maintenance is equally impressive. Parts are widely available, overhaul times are long, and the engine's modular construction makes inspections and component replacements straightforward. Many pilots report their 912 engines running past 2,000 or even 3,000 hours with proper care. In the cockpit, the 912 feels smooth, quiet, and responsive. It produces minimal vibration, giving pilots a more comfortable and confidence-building experience, especially helpful for newer aviators or those returning after years away. For small aircraft owners who want an engine that starts every time, runs clean, sips fuel, and lasts for decades, the Rotax 912 stands tall. It's proof that reliability doesn't have to come in a heavy or high horsepower package, just smart engineering and a track record that speaks for itself. The Lycoming O-360 is a classic four-cylinder engine that has earned its place as one of the most trusted power plants in general aviation. With a reputation built over decades of reliable service, this engine continues to impress pilots with its simplicity, durability, and long operational life, especially for those flying small to mid-sized aircraft. Producing between 160 and 180 horsepower, depending on the variant, the O-360 delivers smooth, predictable performance that makes it perfect for training aircraft, weekend flyers, and pilots who want an engine that just works. Its carbureted and fuel-injected versions offer flexibility, while the air-cooled design eliminates complex systems that can increase maintenance time and cost. This simplicity is one of the key reasons the O-360 has such a stellar track record. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things that can fail. Maintenance on the O-360 is famously straightforward. Mechanics around the world know the engine inside and out, and parts availability is exceptional. Overhauls are predictable and relatively affordable, giving pilots confidence in long-term ownership. Even after thousands of hours, many O-360 engines continue to run with remarkable consistency, thanks to Lycoming's proven engineering and robust construction. What truly sets the O-360 apart is its dependability in real-world flying. Whether powering a Cessna 172, a Piper Cherokee, or a home-built aircraft, the engine delivers steady climb performance, reliable starts, and a smooth cruise. It's an engine that inspires trust, especially for pilots who value safety, predictability, and peace of mind every time they take off. In short, the Lycoming O-360 embodies what pilots love most in an aircraft engine: reliability, simplicity, and durability. It's a power plant that keeps delivering, year after year, flight after flight, proving that sometimes the simplest engines are the ones that never quit.